How to get 40% off Expedia coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box, type in Expedia coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Expedia. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 25% off, 30% off, $10 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy it, then click on Redeem at Expedia. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, book your stays, flights, cars, or packages, and proceed to checkout. While you're in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm it. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find amazing offers for Expedia. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Likewise, head back. You can also give a try to this one website option, Groupon, as this is also the legit website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Expedia. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers and grab any of the offer. Well, this way you can easily get up to 40% off Expedia coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.